How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, what do you need help with?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's just around the corner, about a 5-minute walk.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and a cup of coffee for breakfast.
How do you get to work or school?
I take the bus to get to work.
Pi, Alpha, Beta, Gamma. What do you do after work?
I usually rest and eat dinner with my family.
What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal is dinner.
What do you do on weekends?
I like to spend time with friends in the park.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you cook your own meals?
Yes, I cook my own meals most of the time.
How do you relax after a long day?
I like to listen to music or read a book to relax.
Do you take a shower every day?
Yes, I shower every day.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I cook dinner most days.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV before bed.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading and hiking.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes in the kitchen.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I enjoy swimming, especially in the summer.
How do you usually get to school?
I usually walk to school.
Do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
I prefer reading books because they allow me to imagine the story.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I love cooking for family and friends.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love exploring different cuisines.
What's your morning routine like?
I start with a cup of coffee, then do some light exercise before getting ready for the day.
Do you prefer working indoors or outdoors?
I prefer working outdoors because I enjoy the fresh air.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Where do you work or study?
I work at a small company as an assistant.
When do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every morning.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
My favorite breakfast food is pancakes.
Do you enjoy cooking or baking more?
I enjoy baking more because I love making desserts.
What's a hobby you'd like to start?
I'd like to start learning how to play the violin.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Where is the nearest bank?
It's 2 blocks away.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you work here?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
What's